The Ice Hut project hit so many targets simultaneously that when I met him and he showed some work, I just saw the potential of bringing his idea here. I mean, it hit ideas of embracing the potential of winter, which I think is huge for what we have on our campus. Hands-on student learning, this is another big one. And then to create something for the bigger community of a stunning, visible, and felt campus presence, which also got an opportunity to tie into the FreezeFest weekend that we have here in February. Yeah, this construction is of a fiberglass rebar, so these 15-foot long poles that have high tensile strength, but one can bend and flex them like a bamboo pole. So the material teaches us its potential just by the way that you start handling it. So when we get to the construction, we have 20 students who are bending and fastening these giant pieces of rebar with no previous skills and no handling anything of this nature, and yet we can do it with minimal guidance, and they immediately start taking the reins and building this structure with an unbelievable ability. The design of Professor Kors is of a passageway, and it's on a common route across campus. So it has no doors so that you move through it seamlessly. And it's beautiful in that it creates a magnificent, joyful moment in what is a very regular, mundane winter walking commute. But it greets you. Most things that we have are often so much behind closed doors that you have to go to or attend. This is something that is built into your everyday experience. It's a unique learning opportunity, and I think that, sort of for the immediate students, we can talk about hands-on learning and building in scale and doing things outside of the classroom that really helps them going back into the classroom learn a lot. But it also has that, it was one of those projects that I saw with Professor Kors' idea, is that it has that huge physical presence that makes RIT a dynamic place. Like, there are events here and there are wonderful things here, but they remain largely, as I said, behind closed doors. And to have something that's like right there, kind of given to you, is really wonderful, and so makes the dynamic of the environment, such a place that feels like it's growing and living.